In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LastPass Password Manager. By the end, you'll know how to get to your vault, view your saved logins, bring in passwords you already have, and add new ones manually. I'll keep things clear and practical so you can follow along confidently. First, open your browser and head to the LastPass vault. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your master password privately and avoid doing this on shared or untrusted devices. You might be asked to verify with two-factor authentication, which is a good security sign. Once you're in, you'll see the Vault homepage, the central place where all your items live. If you use the browser extension, the Vault view there will look very similar. On the left side of your Vault, click Passwords. This filters your view to just your website and app logins so you're not sifting through other stored items. It's the best place to manage the credentials you use every day. Now you can see your passwords listed. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find a site and sort your list if you prefer a different order. Click any entry to view its details. You'll typically see the site name, URL, username, and the password field. Look for the copy icons to safely copy a username or password to your clipboard when you need to sign in somewhere. If there's a show or reveal option, only use it when your screen is private. You can edit an entry to update a password after a reset, and you may see a strength indicator or space for notes, which is useful for hints like security questions or account numbers. If you're moving from another manager or a browser, you can import passwords to save time. Choose the import option in your vault, then select your previous source or a CSV file. Follow the on-screen prompts and make sure your CSV columns match what LastPass expects so entries land in the right places. Because exports contain sensitive data, keep the file in a secure location and delete it once the import succeeds. After importing, scan your list for duplicates and clean them up. Prefer to build your list gradually? Click to type them in one by one. Fill in the site name, URL, username, and password. Use the built-in generator to create strong, unique passwords and add notes or assign a category if it helps you stay organized. Save the entry and repeat for any other accounts you want to protect. That's it. With your passwords organized, you're ready for faster, safer sign-ins using LastPass.